Alright guys, what is going on? ProjectForCoders here. In today's video guys, I'm going to be pretty much showing you guys how to use the if statement. So if you guys already know how to pretty much beginning of coding, so I'm going to clear this off really quickly. So if you guys followed the first step, the first video I have in this series, it pretty much shows you how to display. Now if you want to display, something to see if it's correct, you would use if statements. So you want to first create an int, which is an integer, and we'll call it num. Alright, after creating a num, what you would like to do is set num. So you could put, for in this case, you would want to ask a question. So cout, enter a number, space. You could put 2 colons in the space. Now to get the question you're asking for, so in this case is enter a number, you're gonna want to put sin 2 less than signs, and then you're gonna put num. So no matter what number they put here, the number they enter here will go into here. So then after that question, you're gonna want to put if num is greater than 0, so meaning all positive numbers, cout, you'd put a question here. So this number is positive. Now to enter the number into this line, you're going to want to go greater than, num, greater than, and line. So no matter what number you put on the top, it's going to show in right here. Now in this case, you're going to want to put brackets. I forgot to put that. You're going to want to put brackets so that it ends right here. Now whatever you do after this will show. So it's be like cout, put this will show, just like you're pretty much printing it, cout and line. Now if I run this program, so if I enter a number, so I put 1 through 5, so if I put, 1 through anything, so if I put, let's say 2, it says this will show, which I think it's the wrong way. Yeah, if the number is greater than 0, then it's gonna do that. I just got the sign mixed up, so I'll put a number. So 2, say this number is positive 2, this will show. Right? Now if I put a negative number, so negative 5, it's just gonna show this will show because negative 5 is less than 0. So that's pretty much it. If you guys want to know nesting of if statements, comment down below. I also can make a video on that, or I already have a video on that, so make sure you guys check out the playlist. If you did enjoy, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the bell for notifications. I should have a couple of videos on C++ if you guys are new to it. So if you guys do enjoy,